So this is the hot and spicy wings that I'm going to be doing in my Philips XL air fryer. And I think the beauty to having multiple air fryers on game day is that I can do different portions of chicken wings in each air fryer. So it's like we've got the Kasori running in the background at the moment with a set, and then we've got the Philips coming out here to do a set, which is just brilliant. So these are the hot and spicy ones. You could sub these for any brand of hot wings. Just look at how good those look. They look brilliant. And you can turn over chicken wings in the air fryer with tongs, but I find that because of the way they stick together, that it's easier just to shake the air fryer basket, but it's totally optional. But I do recommend that when they've got a sauce on like this, that you just do a single layer in the air fryer, because otherwise they can become stuck together. So we've got some more there. There's quite a few big ones in this batch. And then one more small one, I'll sneak that in. Somewhere here. There we go. So I'm sticking there to a single layer so that some don't end up stuck together. You can see them all there. And then place the air fryer on. And you're looking for 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 15 minutes. And we've beat. So let's check on these wings, shall we? What they like. Oh, wow. Now that is perfect frozen chicken wings in the air fryer. And who would be able to tell that they were cooked from frozen? They just look absolutely amazing. And you could do the same with drumsticks as well, or thighs, and then they're just absolutely delicious. They can be for game day, or they could just be for some party food at Christmas. They're just so lovely when cooked in the air fryer. So you've now got 3 different ways to do chicken wings in the air fryer, and it's now your turn to try it in your air fryer. And of course, don't forget to order our air fryer cookbook, because we feature air fry frozen chicken wings in it, among other air fry frozen food, and plenty of homemade food too. So you've got a good mix and match of different food to cook in your air fryer. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.